welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, for those of you that don't know me, and I love to make home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. So for today's video, we are in the kitchen. I took out my spring decor. We're going to be adding some spring decor to the kitchen. We're also going to be making some new updates. I got some new counter stools that I cannot wait to share with you. So let's jump right into today's video. Our friends at Bona sent me the viral Amazon counter stools. If you check their website or Amazon storefront, you're gonna find a great selection of affordable counter stools. The bar stools came nicely packed in a set of 2, so here I'm unboxing them. And first thing I saw was the beautiful linen color that I chose. I was like, oh my god, they're so pretty. I couldn't wait to finish the assembly process. The bar stools were super easy to put together. As you can see, it came with instructions and everything you needed. Also, I like that every part was labeled for easy assembly. So I repeated the same process for all chairs, and of course I have to try it to see how comfortable it was. And here I am removing my old ones, and I'm gonna finish the last 2 that I have left before we get into decorating the kitchen for spring. Here's everything that I'm going to be using for the kitchen decor for spring and Easter. So I did get some new stuff, new items this year, like these 2 topperies right here. They were so beautiful and they were only $16.99 at TJ Maxx. And then a lot of the other stuff I'm reusing from previous year. You know, over here we're trying to keep it simple and safe. Also, this little kitchen towel I got it this year. This egg as well was $5.99 from Ross. This is from last year, the bunny too, and I got this one at TJ Maxx. This cute bunny was from Ross last year. So beautiful, and I think it was like $24.95 or something like that. But yeah, guys, let's get to decorating. So I'm gonna start here with my bar area. I'm gonna put that cute bunny up here. I think it's so cute, and I wanted to keep this area a little bit colorful because I think the kids would enjoy all the little bunnies and the Easter decor. And also at the same time, I wanted to keep it simple because we use this area a lot to prepare our coffee or teas. So here I am just putting all the little decor in this area. When I saw the topperies, I was like, oh my goodness, they're gonna go right next to the stove area. And I think they look so pretty here. Honestly, you have to see them in person. They're so pretty. Then I'm gonna put my little wood bunny right next to my cutting boards. And that gives it a little pop, you guys. Then of course, a dish towel here on my oven. I love this one. It's so cute with the little bunnies. And then for the countertop, we're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna use a vase and some florals that I have from last year. The final touch, let's pick our beautiful new bar stool from Bona. The style that I got was the crystal. These are named crystal. Check the description box. Use my code if you're in the market for a new counter stool. I totally recommend this one. They're beautiful, comfortable, and super modern and clean looking. So because these counter stools were a little bit larger than my previous one, I couldn't fit 4 of them in my island, but I think 3 of them still look good. So let me know what you think down in the comments. I have to say that even though we couldn't fit 4 bar stools in this area, I am obsessed with the bar stools, the linen material. I mean, look at them, you guys. They look super sleek and modern. They're very comfortable, and the quality of the fabric and the comfort, it's there. And I am telling you, for this price, this is it. If you're in the market for a new stool, you need to shop because they're beautiful. Look how gorgeous they are. I love that they have lumbar support and very good armrests. That's it for today's video. Come back to see how I finished decorating the house for spring. I will see you all on the next one. God bless.